Hawaiian 105 Kani, where we work together. He is also the head of Hawaiian Music Live. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Runaway.
Wow, Billy, that's such an introduction. Big round of applause for Billy V, everybody. The one, the only voice of the novel Hono Awards, and much, much more. One more time, please, a nice round of applause for Billy V. Love that man right there. Alright, like Billy said, we're gonna get the competition up and running. If you guys are ready, please support all of our contestants. Give them a big round of applause, cheer them on as much as you can, and we welcome to the Kani Pila Girl Talent Search 18th Annual, our first contestant. This is Moon Kahele, everybody. Brother Moon, solo artist, pure Hawaiian, U.S. Army veteran, and retired Department of Justice employee. Moon loves to sing old school Hawaiian hits, original songs accompanied by his ukulele and slack key guitar. Moon's passion is teaching his skills to those with similar enthusiasm for our Hawaiian music and culture. If you guys can, please welcome to the stage our first contestant in the Kani Pila Girl Talent Search, Moon Kahele.
Listen, original. Aloha, mehana, ke kulu e amoe, me au e kau no pono, e aloha mai Plumeria. Oh my